What's up, guys? Kay McBride out here at a abandoned golf course pond today. Not really abandoned, it's leased, and I've got permission to fish it, but we're out here. We're gonna try to slay some fish on a little Texas rig. But yeah, stay tuned, stick with it, and we'll get on the water.
It was tournament time and I got my boat shined. I gotta go. Get exposed. Get the boat, man, it's time to go. Grab your baits and fishing poles. Fill the tank and then hit the road till you're in that fishing hole.
I got one. Got him. That's a good. Oh boy. Oh dude. Let's freaking go, dude. Look at that one. Oh dude. That is like a 2 right there. All these like hot early summer largemouth, dude. Whew. Every single one I've caught has jumped before I got them in. That's insane, dude. That's number 2 or 3, 2, 3, or 4. I think 3 though. Oh, there's another one. There we go. There we go. There's number 4. Number 4. Little one. It's probably smallest of the day. Just on this bank right here. Let's go on the Texas rig. Here we go. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. There we freaking go, dude. Number 6. Might be one of the biggest ones of the day. There we go. Right on this wall right here. Number 6.